In this guide, we'll explore the most frequent causes of internet problems in Windows 10 and provide practical steps to help you troubleshoot and restore your connection quickly and effectively.
Let's run a malware scan using built-in Windows security. Right-click the Start button and choose Settings. Go to Privacy and Security on the left, then click Windows Security. And next, click Virus and Threat Protection. A new window will open. Click the Quick Scan button. It'll scan key areas for threats. If you want a deeper check, click Scan Options and choose Full Scan. Then hit Scan Now. To restart your computer, click the Start button at the bottom left corner. Then, click the power icon. Now, select Restart. Your PC will shut down and power back up automatically. Let's reset your network settings to fix any connection issues. Right-click on the Start button and click Settings. In the left panel, choose Network and Internet. Now scroll down and click on Advanced Network Settings. Under More Settings, click Network Reset. Now click Reset Now and confirm when prompted. This will remove and reinstall all your network adapters. Your PC will restart automatically. Reconnect to your Wi-Fi once it's back on. Let's run the DISM tool to fix your Windows image. Click the Start button, type CMD, then right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Click Yes if prompted. Now type this command, DISM space / online space / cleanup - image space / restore health. Then press Enter. This tool checks for problems in the Windows image and tries to repair it. The scan may take a while. Let it finish fully. Once done, restart your computer. Let's run the Windows Troubleshooter together. First, right-click on the Start button at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now click on Settings from the menu. In the window that opens, click on System from the left sidebar. Scroll down and click Troubleshoot, then click Other Troubleshooters. Choose the one that fits your issue and click Run. I will choose Audio and Get Help pages opened. Follow the instructions to resolve the issue. Let's run the System File Checker. Click the Start button and type CMD in the search box. Right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. If you see a prompt, click Yes. Now type this command, SFC / scan now. Then hit Enter. Windows will start scanning for missing or damaged system files. Just wait until it reaches 100%. If it finds issues, it'll try to fix them automatically. Once it's done, restart your PC.